元洲仔公園對住宏福苑，呢個應該係宏昌閣嚟嘅，着晒火。
搞錯啊！
嗱，呢棟咁樣着晒火啦，已經下邊。
冇人咁警鐘，冇警鐘嘅成棟大廈。
喂，嗰啲工程人員做乜㗎？工地嗰啲
成棟大廈冇警鐘，搞錯啊！真係。
着緊火咯喎，滴緊。
火燭啊喂！
哇！喂，走啊走啊走啊走啊！哇，燒通地啊，幾分鐘嘅大佬。哇，係啊！喂，已經燒咗上去4樓啦！
你開個咪就好多票啊！
我都冇 like 呢樣嘢，唔好玩啦，點識啫？
快啲走啊！火燭啊喂！
喂，走啊！喂，嚟啊嚟啊嚟啊！消防到啦，消防到啦，見到啦見到啦，見到啊！有消防有消防。
喂，燒到8樓啊！
哇，上到好高啦！哇，大鑊！喂，我哋都走啦喂，我哋都要走啦喂！哇，褪後啲褪後啲，我哋都搞唔掂啊，要走啦！褪後啲啊！哇，大鑊！哇，大頂落！喂，大家小心啊！哇，我褪後啲啦！哇，撲街啦，中間着到咁樣！哇！喂，快啲走啊！快啲走啊！走啦！走啦！喂，走啦，阿叔！冧緊啊！
阿生，你又喺度食煙啊
？We do begin in Hong Kong, where the deadly fire has now been burning for more than 16 hours. It is now Thursday morning in Hong Kong. Authorities have just given an update. They say the death toll now stands at least 44. We should note the complex was undergoing renovation at the time of the start of the fire. Flames spread across bamboo scaffolding and construction netting that had been erected around the building. The towers are home to some 4,000 people, many of them older than 65 years old. Hong Kong police have arrested 3 men in connection with the fire, accusing them of gross negligence.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
心情都唔知啦，見步行步啦。依家諗下今晚喺邊度瞓覺啦，因為應該都翻唔到屋企㗎啦。
而家個心情梗係唔靚啦，睇到咁多間，即係咁多座都着火，你睇有啲直頭都係燒到入去屋嗰度咯。咁你咪變咗係咪個心情好唔靚啊？雖然即係我哋嗰度而家暫時就救熄咗啦，咁隔離左右都着火。個心情都係唔靚㗎啦。
Today at about 2:51, we received a report stating that there was a fire at Wang Chang House, and after 5 minutes, we arrived at scene.
Even though fires have been extinguished at 4 buildings at this complex, 3 are still ablaze. And this fire has been going on for more than 16 hours now. We don't know how many people are still trapped in the higher floors. And local authorities are telling us that it's really difficult to get to these higher floors because it's just so hot, right? The fire is just so hot that it's difficult for even emergency responders to get up to these higher grounds. Now, the Chinese President Xi Jinping expressed his condolences to the victims and their families on Wednesday. He also urged an all-out effort to put out the fire and minimize casualties and losses. Now, Jim, the authorities haven't told us the definitive cause of this fire yet. It's still under investigation.
大家好，我是主播周玉琴。很多的朋友告诉我们，太阳星全效克菲尔益生菌帮助了睡眠品质。有季节敏感、代谢困扰、关心异常细胞风险的好朋友呢，可以选择原版的太阳星全效克菲尔益生菌。它添加有超级食物羽衣甘蓝，健康再加分。而有睡眠困扰的朋友们，赶快选择蓝色包装这一款晚安加强版，绝对是更有感。每日克菲尔，时刻美好 ，Good Feel Good， 请上快点购为健康下单，而且要记得输入推荐代码，有额外的折扣优惠。太阳星全效克菲尔益生菌基础版、晚安加强版，新包装改版，内容不变，抽取更方便。要吃就吃最好的。